visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. So take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading, so whenever you find the video, the message is also meant to find you. Now tingnan natin ang inyong first card. Ang inyong first card ay the Two of Swords. So, parang brutal ang ating unang cards. Nasabi dito na nasa verge na yata ito na paghihiwalay or nag-separate na kayo. Separation can be physical or energetic. So, physical separation, the person might be in a different city, state, county, country, different continent, no? Energetic separation. Pwedeng nakikita kayo sa trabaho, nakikita kayo sa bahay, pero hindi naman kayo nag-uusap. Or pwedeng combination, no, ng physical and energetic. So, the Empress. Parang meron ditong selos eh. Nag-separate because someone felt like nagpapadala ka sa tukso, no? Parang someone is trying to sabi natin, seduce the other person, tapos nagpapadala ka naman. So, syempre, naiinis naman yung kabila. Or, pwedeng sabihin natin that is an assumption na merong umaaligid sa'yo, no? So, it can be you na medyo naiinis or nagsiselos, or it can be your person. So, parang ayoko na nandito ako sa isang situation or relationship na binibigyan ako ng uncertainty. Parang kailangan ba lagi ako makipag-away sa attention, sa affection, no? Ba't hindi mo na lang ibigay sa akin kung talagang I mean to you. Yeah. So with the 9 of Wands, para kasing hindi lang ito isang beses nangyari. I feel like medyo meron na ngang listahan, no? Kumbaga, probably this has been a history from the evidences that I gathered, or it can be sa iba-ibang tao. So I felt like this is enough, no? Been hanging on this kind of situation for quite a long time. And parang ayoko na yung ganitong situation na nakikipag-agawan ako. So, parang meron din dito nag-lay down ng kanyang, sabihin natin, this is my rule, no? This is the, how do we say this? This is the ultimatum. Ayan. With the Queen of Swords, yun na nga. Dahil sa mga nakitang ebidensya, no? Ayan, parang pasoko na tayo. Kasi meron ng ebidensya. Meron ng mga list of evidence. Ayan, ito kaya nagalit. Gusto ko sana sino yun? Yung si Belgas sa Soko, di ba ganon? Meron ako nakitang mga list of evidences I feel like this is enough para mainis, magalit ako. With the Queen of Wands, so I already mentioned, kinausap kita ng masinsinan, parang hindi ka naman nakikinig, or umoo ka, no? Ito yata yung sinabi mo, umoo ka, ayusin mo. Pero up until now, nandito pa rin. Up until now, ito pa rin ba ang issues natin? Pwede kasing issue na ito way back then. Parang hoy 2026 na, pagitna na nga tayo ng 2026. Ito pa rin ang issues natin. Parang hindi tayo umuusad, no? So, with the Knight of Wands, so parang sabi mo dito, so kung hindi kami uusad, ako na lang ang uusad with the Knight of Wands. So, someone really left the other person. Probably it's you. And hindi naman kita masisisi kung bakit mo siya ginawa. Dahil, again, nandito tayo sa, wala tayong nakikitang progress. Hindi natin nakikita na tayo ay, itong relationship ay nag-elevate, no? So, with the 10 of Cups, nandun pa rin naman talaga yung wanting na sana maayos ito, yung feeling na kapag naayos naman ito, magiging masaya naman talaga, and why not give this person another chance? But then again, ayoko lang yung nasa loop kami na ito lang yung issues namin, parang habang buhay, makikipag-agawan ako, no, ng attention, or kailangan ako gumawa ng security para sa relationship na ito. So, I am seeing the King of Wands. So, meron dito talagang, see, the evidences are here, no? It can be a picture na para talagang naging ebidensya. Someone probably also gave it to you. Sabihin nating merong nagmagandang loob sa'yo. Hindi man naging magandang loob kay person kasi para ang betrayal na kay person. Feeling ko, no, meron kang makakausap or nakausap na somewhat close kay person. Ayan. With the Lovers, yeah, nandun pa rin naman talaga yung hope mo. Hopefully, matapos ito, maayos ito, maging kayo pa ulit. No? Now, let's see here the foreseeable outcome, which is the Seven of Swords. I think that this is a losing end dahil the Seven of Swords, nandito pa din ang betrayal pagdating sa dulo. Sabi nga nila, no, kapag a promises without actions is manipulation, no? Sabi din ng Tagalog ba ito ng ating kasabihan, bihisan mo man daw ng ginto ang matching pa din. So nothing is changing. Probably these are just broken promises, but things are not going to change. Your person, parang nasa dugo niya yata. Krutin mo nga si person, ba mamaya kulay berde, no, ang kanyang dugo. Nasa dugo niya ang pagiging makati. So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago yan, kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. And if meron kayong mga tanong, no, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yan. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Libra, Gemini, Leo, Pisces, Sagittarius, Aries. I'm seeing Aquarius, Taurus. Ayan. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.